Most businesses are built to fail. Here's the new playbook. Previously on the rebuild, I talked about how I lost everything I built. I explained why trusting centralized systems can destroy a company overnight, and I broke down why founders need financial optionality to survive failure. Now the real question is, how do you actually build a business that can survive chaos? The biggest lie in entrepreneurship is that if you build a great company, it will survive. That's not true. Great companies fail all the time because they're built on fragile systems. When everything I built collapsed, I realized something painful. The problem wasn't just what happened, the problem was how the business was structured. One of the key things I realized is that most businesses are built for growth. Almost none are built for survival. And survival is everything. Introducing the new playbook. So during this rebuild, I'm following a completely different playbook. And there's three main principles. The first one, removing single points of failure. If one platform, one partner, or one decision can destroy your company, that's not a business, that's a liability. So this time around, I'm using multiple business bank accounts, multiple payment processors, anything from Cash App to Remitly, things I never even heard of. So you got to be flexible if you want to survive. Principle number 2, build optional revenue paths. The strongest companies don't rely on one income stream. They create multiple ways to win. So this time around, I'm already partnering with other companies in my field and on the fringes of the field and doing some really different things that I didn't think I would be doing at this time, from truck dispatching to digital marketing again, which is something I used to do, as well as medical billing. So these are multiple streams of income that I'm going to be able to tie into my business now. Principle 3, control the core assets. If you don't control your audience, your payments, your distribution, or in my case, my vehicle, because at the time that I was arrested, I had taken out a loan, and because of what happened, I had to let the van go. So again, that's another lesson learned. I talked about credit and how I felt about it on a previous video, and I'm definitely going to be talking about it a little bit more on this channel. But definitely, business credit is going to be something I'm incorporating a lot more than I did before. So this rebuild isn't about replacing what I lost. It's about building something bigger. And that starts with one rule that every entrepreneur should understand before they ever launch a company. The first rule of rebuilding from nothing is simple. Don't rebuild what you had, rebuild what actually works. Those are two completely different things, and I'll talk about that more in depth on the next episode. If you're watching this series, you're literally watching a company being rebuilt in real time. And in the next episode, I'm documenting the next step. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, so you don't miss the next one.